Okay, there we go.
and it can always be edited. So, hey, 1-4 Victor Mike is going to fly tomorrow. First time in 18 years.
Yes,
So 2004, it flew.
exactly.
Okay, and were you in it? Did you fly?
No, I
When was the
flew
last time you actually flew in this airplane?
when I was 23, I believe. And that's
Okay.
40 years ago.
A long time ago.
That's a long time ago.
So tomorrow's going to be pretty interesting. So we have a ferry permit in hand now. We have a airworthiness certificate, which we didn't have. The ferry permit really is a special airworthiness certificate. We've got to get a little bit of minor approval stuff. There's a procedure that we use so that we can fly a non-ASB airplane underneath the 30-mile veil from SeaTac, but we're going to be in that about 30 seconds, and then we're out of it. So then we'll head over to Spokane, and then Coeur d'Alene, Idaho, just east of there, and see how the airplane performs. We've done a lot of work on it. Kurt Ottenheim.
Are you asking?
Is it Ottenheimer or Ottenheim?
I have Ottenheimer.
Okay, so then see, I can edit that. So Kurt Ottenheimer did a lot of the A&P work on this to get the sign off. So we've done basically a mini annual on the airplane in order to make sure it's safe. Because I ain't put my butt in the line. But it's all, it's got to be a little bit of fun, maybe a little pucker factor doing the first takeoff. But all of our test runs, the engines are super strong. The turbos are putting out 42 inches of manifold pressure like they should. And everything goes well, we'll be over in Coeur d'Alene in about an hour and 10 minutes from when we take off tomorrow.
Looking forward to it.
Me too.
All right.
You're going to be definitely looking forward to it.
Bye.